how to buy subscription on Amazon Prime. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can buy subscriptions on Amazon Prime, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to buy subscriptions on Amazon Prime, it's actually quite very simple to do so, because all you have to do is go to amazon.com/Amazon Prime. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down below, amazon.com/Amazon Prime, and over here you can log into one of your free Amazon accounts. From here we want to buy Prime subscription, so right here you'll find we're getting a free 30-day trial, so you can tap on start your free 30-day trial option here, and then you'll be able to see all your Prime benefits, where you can simply go ahead and select a payment method if you'd like to continue. You can also add a credit or debit card, of course. I'm assuming most of you are going to do that, or you can also use Venmo over here and then tap the continue option in order to go ahead and then basically get and buy the Prime subscription. This way you can buy subscription on Amazon Prime. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.